The most important thing that I did as CEO was to hire a phenomenal team, right? We brought in a new head of development, a new head of marketing, a new head of customer success, and lieutenants were able to create strategies, build phenomenal teams under them, and ultimately drive execution that all came together in that valuation increase. One of the things that we focused on really early was transforming our unit economics, what we just talked about. We had a powerful customer lifetime value. In other words, the customers who started using our product almost never left it because the product was the first product in the industry that affordably enabled both pediatricians and family medicine doctors and their staffs to catch eye issues in children before they turn into disabilities, blindness, or death. Now, Sonia, 1 in 5 kids in North America has an ocular abnormality or an eye issue.
Oh, wow.
That leads to, again, learning or vision or a very premature death in the case of eye cancer. So there's a motivation from these doctors, these nurses, these technicians to catch these issues. They realized, but they had no affordable way. So our product was a breakthrough. We delivered AI on an iPhone. We did that before AI was sexy, right? And while our retention was really strong and therefore our customer lifetime value was strong, our customer acquisition costs were not great, right? We were more money to acquire the customer than the customer was paying us. And so we totally shifted the sales motions. What we decided to do was to continue with the expensive outside sales reps that were going to the big hospitals who had hundreds of pediatricians and sometimes even local. But if it was a single practice, and most pediatricians and family medicine doctors in the US work in independent practices, we wouldn't send an expensive salesperson, pay for their flight, their hotel, and so on and so forth. We shifted toward inside sales. So a lot of this digital customer acquisition and lead generation efforts for these doctors to say, I'm interested. And then we'd get them on a demo and, of course, help them understand how it would transform their clinical outcomes. And most of them purchased at that stage.